This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sheila Walton-Moore. New Roof OCT 2024. Screened entry porch welcomes you to this attractive 3-bedroom/2-bath customized Pringle home with high ceilings, open floor plan, and backyard privacy. Upon entry you will notice the beautiful tile and crown molding. The eye-catching kitchen is appointed with stainless steel appliances, including gas range, solid wood cabinets, and granite counters with breakfast bar. Utility room is equipped with a convenient sink and Electro Lux HE front-load washer and dryer with their own pedestal. The ample-size primary bedroom suite adjoins attractive primary bathroom with granite counters and built-in solid wood cabinets. The home was designed for privacy with 2 bedrooms and guest bath on opposite side of home. The spacious screened Lanai extends the width of home with an outside kitchen for convenience and enjoyment. Oversized garage provides access to insulated attic floor to provide additional storage area. Home has in-wall pest system and annual termite bond. The much sought after Lakes of Mount Dora, 55+ active adult community, has a beautiful clubhouse and numerous amenities. If you are active or social, you will appreciate an environment that promotes a sense of community with available amenities such as bocce, croquet, fitness center, pickleball, pool/spa, softball, tennis, social hall, and activity rooms, art/craft, billiard, and card games. For more information, review the details below or contact Sheila Walton-Moore at 352-729-7325.